Hey Visioneers, want to create stunning AI-generated videos and artwork right from your phone? Today I'll show you Kling AI, a next-gen creative studio that turns text or images into 1080p videos perfect for YouTube ads or social media. Let's get started. What is Kling AI? Kling AI, developed by Lohas Games, uses powerful Kling and Colos models to generate both text-to-video and image-to-video content in beautiful cinematic quality up to 1080p resolution. You can also browse community creations and clone projects to remix ideas instantly. Generate AI images. First, let's start by creating a high-quality AI-generated image inside Kling AI. 1. Launch the Kling AI app or open the website on your browser. 2. From the main dashboard, tap on Text to Image. 3. In the prompt box, type a vivid, detailed description of what you want to create. For example, a futuristic African cityscape with flying cars, glowing neon lights, and palm trees at sunset. 4. Select your style. Options might include cinematic, anime, 3D, painting, etc. Choose one that matches your goal. 5. Set your resolution. Most users go with default unless they're printing. 6. Tap Generate and wait a few seconds. 7. If you're not satisfied with the first result, click Generate again or slightly adjust your prompt for better output. Use descriptive words like cinematic, dramatic lighting in 4K or digital art to improve results. Convert to video. Once your image looks perfect, it's time to bring it to life with motion. 1. Click on the Image to Video tab in the menu. 2. Select the image you just created or upload one from your gallery. 3. Now describe what kind of motion you want. Some great prompt ideas include camera zooming out slowly, wind blowing through trees, light rays shining through the clouds. 4. Choose the duration of your video. Most videos are between 4 and 15 seconds, depending on your credit usage. 5. Click Generate Video and watch as Kling adds smooth motion effects and cinematic transitions to your static image. 6. Once done, you can preview the video and download it in Full HD, 1080p. The better your image and motion description, the more dynamic your video result will be. Extend and download video. Want to turn a 10-second clip into a full 30-second cinematic scene? Here's how to extend your video inside Kling AI. 1. Tap on the video you just generated. 2. Choose the Extend Video option. 3. Add a new prompt that continues the motion or evolves the scene. For example, camera pans to reveal the city skyline at night. Scene transitions into a glowing digital garden with flying lanterns. 4. You can repeat this process several times to stitch together a full story. 5. When you're satisfied, hit Merge and Download to combine clips into one smooth cinematic video. 6. Export in 1080p and save directly to your phone or computer. Now you're ready to upload your Kling AI video to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Reels and watch the views roll in. Let's talk about managing your credits because creativity shouldn't come with surprises. Free plans. If you're using Kling AI on the free tier, you'll typically receive limited daily or weekly credits. These refresh periodically, so plan your big projects around your refresh cycle. Premium plans. Upgrading unlocks more monthly credits plus access to higher resolutions and longer video durations. Ideal if you're creating content regularly for social media or clients. Smart credit saving tips. Start with shorter durations, 5 to 10 seconds, before extending your video. Keep your prompts simple and direct. Too much complexity can lead to errors and wasted credits. If a motion or camera effect doesn't work, don't panic. Just tweak your prompt slightly or reduce the scene's complexity. This has worked well for many users. Pro tip: batch your generation tasks while monitoring how many credits each option consumes. Efficiency is key. Best practices. Want to make your Kling AI videos look like something straight out of Hollywood? Use cinematic motion prompts like camera slowly zooms out, tracking shot from left to right, smooth pan up to sky. Set the mood with visual tone prompts like my golden hour lighting, moody shadows with depth, neon glow with soft blur. Explore the community tab. This is a goldmine. remix top-rated public creations, or draw inspiration from other creators' styles and prompts. You'll level up faster by learning from what already works. The more intentional your prompt and style choices, the more cinematic and scroll-stopping your results will be. And that's how you turn images or prompts into cinematic video magic with Kling AI. Download the app using the link in the description. Give this video a like if you found it useful. Subscribe to Augusta Vision for more step-by-step AI creativity guides. You have the creativity, now the tools to bring it to life. See you in the next one, Visioneer.